Namaste India. Miraj Cinemas is back. Miraj Cinemas has always been that medium that has time and again redefined the idea of entertainment. And we are at it once again, joining our hands with the same warmth and love. With safety, hygiene and social distancing measures, adhering to the laws of the new normal. Or as we would like to call it, hygiene redefined. At Miraj, we have ensured applications of all protocols as per the guidelines mandated by the WHO. Our entire team has been meticulously trained to deal with caution and make every point of interaction safe, secure and seamless. To guarantee 100% well-being towards our staff and patrons, every staff member goes through multiple routine checks alongside Arogya Setu app compliances. Masks and face shields, which are duly validated by international management certifications, are worn by every staff member. While we encourage our guests to book tickets online, there is contactless ticketing and payment facility available at the premises too. We start with a temperature check on the entrance. Wearing masks is a mandate for every guest and entry is restricted for patrons with any symptoms. In order to maintain social distancing, we are using markings on the floor to guide you through the cinema. Designated staff members have been instructed to escort patrons within the order whilst following all social distancing norms. All your amenities are thoroughly disinfected frequently, adhering to strict protocols. We have also disposable 3D glasses at our perusal to cater to your 3D viewing experience. Intervals have been extended to follow modified process with minimal physical contact. You can enjoy pre-packed fresh food right from your seat in the form of a contact-free order, or could also opt to explore the menu and make your selection using Pop Express. You can also pick up food of your choice from the cafe and make a contactless payment. A row-wise exit plan has been put into place so that patrons leave the premises in a safe and staggered manner. EPA-certified advanced protection sanitization of touchpoints is duly followed post every show. In addition to this, Miraj Cinemas is also following stringent standards and hygiene policies for other touchpoints including kitchen, counters and washrooms. We are redefining hygiene to bring back the experience that has always been dear to us. All whilst making sure that entertainment, happiness, hygiene and you get the best seats in the house. Miraj Cinemas. Redefining entertainment, hygiene redefined.